In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a neumorphism effect using Figma in just 5 minutes. Neumorphism, a design trend that beautifully blends skeuomorphism and flat design, creates a soft, almost 3D effect by using highlights and shadows. So, whether you're creating UI for a project or simply exploring new design techniques, we'll walk through this process together. To begin with, open up Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already logged in, you'll want to click on the login button. Make sure you've got access to your account because you'll need to navigate to your home space next. Once you're at home, look for the file you want to work on. If you haven't got one ready, feel free to create a new design file where we can experiment with these effects. Now that you're in your file, the first thing we'll do is create a new shape. It could be a rectangle or a circle. Something simple will do great. Once you have your shape, click on it, and you'll see a panel on the right with various settings. This is where the magic happens. We're going to start by adding some shadows. In the effects panel, select Drop Shadow. You'll notice Figma gives you default settings, but we're aiming for that soft, pillowy neumorphism effect. To do that, adjust the blur X and Y values to create a subtle shadow. Usually something like 10 for blur, 5 for both X and Y can work well. Next, we'll add an inner shadow. This is crucial to create the neumorphic look, giving the appearance that the shape is slightly pressed into the background. Again, adjust the values to keep it soft and subtle. Typically a blur of 10 and X, Y values of 5 will give you a smooth look. Don't forget to play with the opacity to find the perfect balance that works for your design. You might notice that the shadow and highlight colors can dramatically alter the effect. So use colors similar to your background but slightly lighter for highlights and darker for shadows. The idea is subtlety. You don't want the shadows and highlights to be too noticeable. If you want to refine it further, you can experiment with different shapes or even add text and icons. Applying the same shadow and highlight technique will tie everything together visually. And there you have it, you've designed a neumorphism effect in Figma. Feel free to experiment with different colors, shapes, and shadow settings to make the design truly yours. It's amazing how these small adjustments can bring depth and style to your interfaces. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on creating a neumorphism effect in Figma. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more design tutorials. Happy designing!